To solve this equation, let's first remove the parentheses by multiplying each of 8x and 4 by 1/4. Then, let's simplify each term. 1/4 times 8x is simplified to 2x. 1/4 times 4 is simplified to 1. Now, we are going to rewrite the equation so that one side of the equation has only x. To do this, let's first eliminate 1 on the right side of the equation. So, we are going to subtract 1 from both sides of the equation. Here, it is important to treat both sides of the equation equally. So, when we subtract a number from one side of the equation, we must subtract the same number from the other side of the equation. After subtracting 1, the left side of the equation is simplified to -6. Then, the right side of the equation can be simplified to 2x. We now have a new equation, -6 equals 2x. Now, to solve the equation, we are going to eliminate 2 in front of x. To do this, let's divide both sides of the equation by 2. After dividing them by 2, the left side of the equation is simplified to -3. Then, the right side of the equation is simplified to x. And let's switch the two sides of the equation. So, the answer is x equals -3.